All right, let's get this little tailgater started. Just push the button, put it on smoke, and today I'm using Bear Mountain bourbon barbecue pellets for this cook. All right, smoke is cleared. Close it up. I'm going to turn this up to 250 degrees and let it warm up. Now for my personal promotion. At the time of this video, I am closing in on 10,000 subscribers, and I want to thank all of you that have subscribed to get me to this point. I'm trying to hit that 10,000 subscriber. That's kind of another milestone. You know, you get your 1,000, you get your 5,000, and now I'm finally hitting at my 10,000. And if you want to hit that subscribe button, I'd greatly appreciate it. And also, why would you even want to do that? Well, I'll tell you. Of course, right? Because if you follow my channel, I will show you how to make some very easy cooks that taste delicious, they taste amazing, and I'm always thinking outside the box. You know, not just your regular plain burger, not your regular plain rack of ribs, not your regular plain chicken, everything. I try to do things a little bit different for you. It's super easy, super delicious, and you can impress your whole family or anybody that comes over to eat with you. All right, so hit that subscribe bell. And hey, as you're watching this video, you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps the channel. And hey, help me get that 10,000 subscribers. All right, appreciate it. Let's get on with this show. All right, so while we got that tailgater heating up, we're just gonna do this inside. What I'm gonna do today is a Bourbon Smokehouse burger on the Pit Boss tailgater. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. And I'm gonna use something that a lot of people usually buy, and that's the pre-made burger patties at the store. So we're just going to use these. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple. And you know, if you watch my channel, I usually buy these kind of rolls for my buns because they're sturdier and they're still nice and soft. And you know, they hold up better to a nice burger, especially a Bourbon Smokehouse burger. And yeah, let me just show you how I put this together. We'll get them on the smoker and yeah, or on the pellet grill, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here's our preformed patty. And all you're going to do is push it down. So you want to make a well in the middle of this patty. Just keep pushing around, keep the edges tight. And I'm going to add some Crave's Rosy Gold Classic Barbecue that Johnny over at View to a Grill hooked me up with. This stuff's pretty good. Just, you know, add as much or as little as you want. This stuff is very flavorful, so go for it. So, all we're going to do is put our burger patty down. See, it's still got a couple of cracks. You want to make sure you got it pinched up pretty good, and I'll show you why here in a second. Okay. Now, the bourbon part. We're going to use some Jim Beam. You can use your favorite. And I'm going to use a shot glass from my cousin in Missouri. You want to go ahead and pour yourself a shot of Jim Beam. This one's for the burger. You can pour one for yourself. And then you just want to fill that well up with the Jim Beam. Oh darn, there's a little extra. I guess I'll have to finish it. All right, that's it. We'll be back in 45 minutes. I'm also going to add, I've got some onions, some butter, and a little olive oil in there. Olive oil in the bottom just to help the butter so that the butter doesn't actually burn. We're just gonna let this, actually I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna let that go in there for the duration of the cook as well. All right, we'll be back. All right, look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, what I'm gonna do now is take these off of here. I am going to lift up, with the help of my spatula, lift this up, set it over here for a second. I'm gonna slide open my open fire pit, turn it up to about 325, 350 for a second here. And I'm just gonna toast up my buns real quick. This will only take a minute. So we will get these toasted up and see you inside. All right, there we go. There's our toasted buns. All right, so let's just build this thing. All right, just want to get your patty down, just like that. Okay, now we had our onions in there. Can get some onions on there, just like that. They were, you know, left in the pellet grill with butter and a little bit of olive oil. Looks pretty darn good. They're soft. And to make this a smokehouse burger, I use the Heinz 57. Now you can use 57 ingredients if you want, but I'm telling you, you make your burger with some of this Heinz 57 sauce, you will swear that you are having a smokehouse burger at a restaurant. Okay? So good. Just like that. All right? And we're gonna top it. And there you go. Let's put the chart in towards the back. All right, there you go. That's our Bourbon Smokehouse burger. And we'll take a taste test of this in a second. You know I've got to cut this in half for you, right? Okay, let's take a look. There you go. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Yummy. Close up of that. Look at that. Look at that. If you haven't smashed that like button, you know what to do. All right, there you go. Bourbon Smokehouse burger. I started this in the house. I'm going to go ahead and do my taste test in here. We just cut it in half. Look at this thing. It is beautiful. All right, easy to make. Let's just see how great it tastes. Oh my goodness. That, excuse me, is a delicious burger. A little bit of a smoke ring on that hamburger. Ah, the flavors are just outstanding. All right, well, there you go. There's my smoked bourbon smokehouse burger, or my bourbon smokehouse burger. Whatever. It's just delicious. All right. If you like that, give it a try. Shot of bourbon, hamburger, pellet grill. Put some smoke on it. 45 minutes at 250. And if you like onions, put onions on it. Put whatever you like on it. Anyway, okay. Again, I'm begging. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Help me hit that 10,000 subscriber goal. And hopefully we'll see you on another video. Hope you have a great day.